Hey guys, I'm Curtis Mays. I just picked up the GroValet atmospheric controller. It was recommended to me. I've heard people have pretty good results with it. So, let me show this to you. Here's the outlets with the cords, heavy duty. That's impressive. We got 4 outlets right there. This is just a power supply. Got wall mounts. Very informative guide. And then this is the actual controller itself. So this has all the sensors that you need built into it. It's got the CO2 ppm sensor, a light sensor. It has a temperature sensor, humidity sensor. That's pretty much all you need. There's no other sensors required. I mean, you can mount this right on your wall. Just like that. Each plug can be programmed as a cycle timer, traditional clock timer, or a trigger timer based on each of the sensors. And day or night, you can customize each plug with the operation of your components, your grow components. These cords right here are 14 feet, so you can spread these out. So let me take a minute to go over the advanced features of the GroValet. Most importantly, each of these plugs can be independently set to one of 3 different timers. You have a cycle, trigger, and then traditional clock. And these timers can also be set to trigger by any of the sensors that were mentioned previously. You can put them into different outlets, hopefully get on separate breakers, which eases up on your electrical box. And then some of the construction features are, this is actually solid aluminum machined to exacting tolerances by CNC mills. And the case is 100% recyclable and precision machined from 6061 aircraft aluminum. Also, this display right here, it's a green backlit LCD. It's easy to see as an auto off and on feature, so it disables the LCD when the lights are out. The unit itself is very high quality. The construction aspect, buttons are real solid. These auxiliary plugs are hospital grade 20 amps, which holds up to a very demanding grow environment. Another well thought out construction feature is the Ethernet cord, RG45s, and those are plug receptacle with gold plated pins and receivers to resist corrosion and assure a solid electrical connection. Every controller and auxiliary plug set is paired together and put through a rigorous burn-in period that gives every controller and accompanied plug set a chance to power up and run together. This is where they actually plug in. That's the power supply. These are the 2 Ethernet cables. The controller is designed for easy installation. It comes with a complete mounting hardware. That's these right here, the wall screws, which go right in there. It's got unique top and bottom ventilation to keep the unit cool, so it won't overheat. It allows the sensors to always get fresh sample of surrounding air, and because the sensors are internal, they have time to adjust without being affected by fans, AC, CO2 generators, or dehumidifier. So now I'll talk to you about the temperature and humidity digital control. It's compatible with any standard 120 volt, 1520 amp CO2 regulator or burner, air conditioner unit, or humidifier/dehumidifier. For the temperature control, all you need to do is choose a plug number, which is etched into the cover of the plug box, and plug the air conditioner into the chosen desired plug number and set the air conditioner to high cool. Then program the selected plug into the controller and you're done. The GroValet will now keep your temperature at the set point and turn off the air conditioner. Controlling the humidity works the same way. You just choose a plug and then plug in your humidifier/dehumidifier. And in most cases, you set the humidity device to dehumidify, then program the desired set plug to the chosen humidity level and select run. The onboard sensors in the controller take several samples of the atmosphere per minute and will make sure your environment is kept at its optimum temperature and humidity level. CO2 control is very easy. All you do is you have your tank or regulator, and then you just add the GroValet as well. Find plug 1, which is CO2 on the box, and plug your CO2 regulator or burner in. Then it's time to program the actual controller. Another advantage of the GroValet is the embedded software within the unit, which stores anything you program into it permanently. So if you lose power, it's still going to be there. In conclusion, it's a great product. It's really convenient. I'm excited to use it. So if you want the greatest yield, I would definitely recommend the GroValet. Alright, thanks for watching. Good luck with your garden.